Good morning, everyone. Just getting ready to go do some shopping, get ready for the stream, get some ideas. So, you never know. This might be a vlog. Thought we'd take you along and see what happens. So, let's take a little walk. Oh, beautiful day outside. Nice, sunny, just a little chilly. So, never know. Let's see what happens as we go. Hey everyone, well, we're home now. Tried to record in the store, but the manager got really uppity about it because with COVID and everything. And I was just like, well, no one's gonna see anything. I'm showing your shelves, but no, doesn't matter. So I also don't think they wanted to see that it was a Saturday. They were packed, like well beyond their limit. and just lifting up groceries well beyond their limit, and only one cash register open. So the lineup took longer for me to pay than it did to do my shopping, which wasn't fun. So we did a pretty good haul. I don't know if you want to call this an unboxing or not, but let's see what we got. Well, it's not the most exciting haul, but we've got some good old fish, ginger, breadcrumbs. We got some rice here, some really nice peppers. We got, whoa, sorry for that, huge block of cheese. We got some chocolate, some gravy mix, because it's just quick and simple that way. Some goldfish to snack on, well, some pretzels. Down there, here we are. We've got some bean sprouts. When you buy bean sprouts, guys, like, I really didn't want to buy these ones, but it's all they had. These things go faster. These things go bad faster than milk on a hot day in a hot car. So if you're gonna buy them, you've got to use them the day you buy them or the next day, the latest. After that, they're just slime. So be forewarned. What else do we got? We got some lemons back there, some capers because I'm in the mood for some chicken piccata. We've got our milk. Trying to cut down on the soft drinks, so we've got some peach seltzer water. Give that a try. Who knows? Worst comes worst, I got lots of coffee. There we go. For everyone who doesn't speak French. And we just got some hamburger, some chicken, and some rice noodles. Yeah, so there's my shopping haul. I wish I could have showed you more, but like I said, times being what they are, and managers just doing whatever they can to try and get money. So there's just what I got for the next few days. Some of it might appear in a video. Who knows? We'll see. All right, well, I said I was going to try and do more vlogs, and this one's all over the place, so I hope you liked it. So till next time, I am Andrew, and I am the 5 p.m. chef, and welcome to my Saturday mornings. Now it's time to go mod a stream.